Hello and welcome to the new video in the ServiceNow item course. In previous session, we discussed cloud automation, how to integrate cloud infrastructure. Today, we focus on orchestration, an essential item capability in ServiceNow that extends automation beyond ServiceNow itself, integrating with other systems to streamline tasks and reduce manual intervention. We will cover introduction to orchestration, workflow building and design, external system integrations, real world use cases. Let's begin. Introduction to orchestration. ServiceNow orchestration allows you to automate IT and business processes that span multiple systems. What it does? It automates tasks like password reset, user account creation, and server reboots by connecting with external platforms. Orchestration versus automation. While automation handles tasks within ServiceNow, orchestration reaches out to external systems like Active Directory, database, or cloud platforms. Use cases. Common use cases include automating employee onboarding, cloud provisioning, or software deployment. Plug and play. Most orchestration integrations are available as plugins that can be activated with minimal setup. This is especially useful for enterprise aiming to reduce manual workloads and enforce consistent operations. Workflows are the heart of the orchestration. They define the step-by-step process for automating tasks. Graphical workflow editor. ServiceNow offers a drag and drop editor to visualize tasks, sequence, decision, and conditions. Flow Designer. For low code automation, Flow Designer simplifies building workflow using action, triggers, and data pulls. Reusable activities. You can build and reuse activities like approvals, condition checks, or system calls across multiple workflows. Examples: create a workflow to reset a user password in Active Directory or restart a VM in AWS. This enables end-to-end automation with minimal human intervention. Integration with external systems. One of the biggest strengths of orchestration is its ability to integrate with systems outside the ServiceNow. Active Directory integration automate tasks like user creation, group member updates, and password resets. REST SOAP calls, orchestrations can send API calls to applications, web services, or internal tools. Mid-server role. Mid-server act as a secure bridge between ServiceNow and your on-prem systems. Common integrations: AD, Exchange, SSH, VMware, and cloud platform like AWS and Azure. Through these integration, ServiceNow becomes the central command center for you for your IT infrastructure. So let's explore the flows and workflows on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and if we go to workflow editor, then it provides a graphical interface. Like if we open any existing workflow, so it will give us the this type of interface to drag and drop different type of activities from here to create a workflow and make the automation in the process. And if we go to for the flow, then in the workflow studio, we can create the flows, subflows, actions, and decision tables for the automation. Like if we open any existing So it's not opening up, some error. Like this is application intake request flow, and these are this is the trigger, and we can use different spokes and everything for the integration from Workflow Studio using the flows, and these are the actions, and these are the data pills. So in this way we can automate our tasks and everything using the flow and workflow. Real world use cases. Let's explore practical application of orchestration. Plugin activation, orchestration plugins such as AD Spoke or VMware Spoke can be activated directly from the plugin list. Building catalog items, integrate workflows with the service catalog items so end users can request and trigger automates like create a new AD account. Automating IT tasks, restart servers, open firewall ports, or sync files between systems all throughout ServiceNow. Example, an onboarding catalog item could trigger multiple orchestrated actions, creating AD account, assigning mailbox, provisioning cloud resources, and update the CMDB. These orchestration not only save time but ensure standardization and compliance. In this video, we explored the fundamentals of ServiceNow orchestration, what orchestration is and how it enhances automation, how to build and design workflows using Workflow Editor and Flow Designer, integrating ServiceNow with external systems like Active Directory and REST APIs, real-world use cases where orchestrations delivers huge value. In the next video, we will look at how ITOM modules integrate with the ServiceNow areas like incident, change, and request management, bridging the gap between operations and IT service delivery. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session.